whatever we humans possess or the things we have, we need to control it ourselves. So this human need for control can be traced back to earliest roots when we were cavemen. When we first started riding the horse, we used belts to control it. We can easily stop our horse. We can easily let it run. So these are the human needs. So this behavior is built into human nature. So as UX designers, we need to give users full control or almost the best control of their apps or the websites they are using or their accounts or the e-commerce sites they are using. So the users feel that they are in charge. They are going to feel very great. This is also part of user experience. Even if you see the kids and observe them, whenever they are like 1.5 years old, they try to eat with a spoon themselves. If you try to grab their spoon, they are going to weep. And they're going to say that we need to eat ourselves. And even they are throwing everything everywhere and they are throwing food on themselves. But they keep on trying to use spoon because they feel in control. Today in our technologies everywhere around you, even cars, your mobile phones, your laptops, your computers, they have brightness controls, they have audio controls. You can reduce the audio, you can turn it off. They have dark and light themes you can apply if you go out in the sun. You can also connect and disconnect Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So all these settings and services, you can turn them off and you can turn them on. So all your devices are in your control. Now, why do we give user that much control? Because it's human nature that we feel satisfied when we are in control. Let me show you some of the examples of user in control. You might have seen some landing pages where you go to that landing page and the video starts playing itself and there is no way to control or stop it. Now you can see this video is playing, but if it has a loud audio, you are going to kill this page. You are going to instantly click on this cross. This pattern is called autoplay. So autoplay is not a bad thing if you use it in a good manner, but if you try to limit the user in control and give them no option to turn off the audio or close the video player window, they are going to get irritated. Let me show you some of the examples of different operating systems like Google, Android, mobile operating systems, and Windows and iOS, Macs, and how they are giving control to their users. This is one example. You can see you can turn off any app, even you can force them to stop. So all these apps are listed over here. Then we have this settings screen for iPhone, and you can see you can personalize everything: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, notifications, everything. This is the settings screen of Gmail, and you can see there are tons of settings you can do. Although it is not very well defined or not very good, there is a lot of information or overwhelming settings over here, but still it is a good example. Then this is our screen, Windows 10, and I have changed its theme a bit. So these are all the settings: color management, devices, fonts, internet options. So like hundreds of settings you can do for any of your attached device or any programs you have installed. You can uninstall them, or you can install them back, or you can disable different services. Then this is the screen from iMac or Mac's operating system preferences. And there are a lot of things you can do over here. You can control the dock, desktop, screensavers, themes, energy saving mode, displays if you have multiple displays, your sounds, scanners, Bluetooth. So all these settings are there so the user can feel in control and get satisfied that I own this app or this product. So this is all about user in control. I hope you have understood the concept and human need and human psychology behind it. Let's move on to the next lesson.